Okay, so in math, the past few days we've been talking about subtraction word problems and how we can take a given set of numbers such as 13 cupcakes, knowing that 8 of the cupcakes are green and some are red. How many would be red? So, I mean, that's the type of problems that we've been working. We know one of the amounts and we want to find the other part. So, I'm going to begin by talking about my anchor chart. If we have a question such as this, I have 13 cupcakes. 6 cupcakes are blue. Some cupcakes are green. How many cupcakes are green? Now please, feel free to pause anytime during this video to do your own illustrations or whatever that you would like to do to help you solve this question. But let's look at the step-by-step chart. Now once again, I'm going to read the question. If I have 13 cupcakes, 6 cupcakes are blue, some cupcakes are green, how many cupcakes are green? So let's go to the chart. The chart says, draw how many you have. Now I like to use this as an example. I have, let's count with me, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I have 13 cupcakes. And I have drawn them all onto my big piece of paper. So what you can do is you can make 13 marks on your piece of paper, just like Mr. Watts is about to do. And you can count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So here I have my 13 cupcakes. Now step 2 says take out what you know. So let's look at this problem and what do we know? Well, we know that 6 of these cupcakes are blue. We know that. What we're trying to find out is how many are green. So if we know that 6 of the cupcakes are blue, I'm throwing them out right now and you can count with me all the way to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we know 6 of the cupcakes are blue. Well, that must leave us with how many cupcakes are green. Because we pushed the 6 that were blue away. In all, we had 13 in all. And that's one of our key vocabulary words. We had 13 in all. So how many do we have left? That must be how many cupcakes are green. And I want you to count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now down here on the board, I want us to take away, and what you've done on your drawing, I want you to take away 6 cupcakes, because we know that 6 of the cupcakes are blue. So on your drawing, just like I pushed my cupcakes away, you can erase 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that's going to leave you with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, just like Mr. Watts had. There's several different ways that you can do this. And I know that we can do it by saying 13 minus 6 equals the answer, but I want to make it more visual. So if you want to make little marks on your paper, you can. If you want to use manipulatives like that I have used up here today, you can. But you can also say 13 minus 6. So that's how we're going to do this. And like I said, step 3 is just count what you have left. And after I pushed away what I know, I count what I have left. And it's just understanding subtraction. I mean, yeah, I can have you grab 13 and count back 6 spots. That's simple. But I want you to understand what subtraction is, and I want you to be able to make a mental picture in your head of what really happens when we subtract. And it's taking away a number that we know from a number in all. So that's how we model subtraction, and I hope it helps. And I want you to also not forget, on the left side of this video, right here, over here, there's a poll from polldaddy.com, and you can vote on the answer. And I'll hit the lights and I'll show you the poll right now. This is on Poll Daddy, and you can say how many cupcakes are green, and you can click the answer that you got, and then you can click vote, and let's see how many people we can get to vote the right answer. I hope this helps, and sorry you have to be away from school for 2 days. Thanks.